Hello everybody, this is Ephemeral and today I would like to show you a really interesting software called Affinity Designer, a quick tutorial of how you can design a simple poster. So before we jump in, I would like to tell you that I've been working in Affinity Designer for the past 3 hours. I've never worked in it before. I can tell you that's really similar to Illustrator. It's in a vector workspace. You work with vectors. So as you can see, I have a couple of layers in here, some text, and this is basically the poster. And I will tell you in order of the things I've done. So firstly, brought an image here, a texture from my texture pack that it's available on Gumroad, and on top of it I've put another texture with the opacity of 10% and the effect of soft light, and then put another text over it with the screen effect, like a graffiti spray, and then another one with some scribbling text, and at the end I've added Les Pilateurs Blackhand EP. It's basically the text in here, Blackhand, and I think I've used the name from here, Les Pilateurs Blackhand EP, so it's like really on the moment inspiration. And then over it I've added some brushes, add some color, and this is the final design. It's nothing much. As I said, I've been playing with it for like 3 hours now with the Affinity Designer software. So yeah, this is what you can expect if you try a new software and you don't know where to find things. But I think it worked out pretty nice, and I hope you like it. And I'm really curious. You can tell me in the comment section, what do you guys think about Affinity Designer? What do you guys think about this video? And I will really appreciate if you can hit the like button and subscribe for more Affinity Designer videos. Until next time, Ephemeral signing out. Bye bye.